Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys a really fun experiment called magic milk. And if you guys want to try this at home, it's super easy. All you need is a couple of ingredients. You can get a bowl or a tray and fill it up with some milk. And you'll need just regular dish soap, some Q-tips, and some food coloring. So let's get started. Once you have your milk all poured out, you take the food coloring and we're just going to make little drops in different places all around. And this is really fun too, to use different colors, because then once the colors start mixing together, you can see what different colors they change into. So we got some blue, some yellow, we'll do some green, and last but not least, we will do some red. Okay, now I'll have my Q-tip filled with dish soap, and let's see what happens when I get close. Look at that. Whoa. And this is something so fun to watch. We can keep on adding some more food coloring. And it just goes all over. Let's see. Look how fun.